Aragón European Digital Innovation Hub is an innovation ecosystem that was selected in 2022 by the European Commission to be a part of the wide net of European digital innovation centers. We offer services 100% financed by European funds with the aim of improving the competitiveness of SMEs through cutting-edge technologies. We are a reference center in big data and artificial intelligence and high-performance computing HPC Cloud. All this applied to intelligent manufacturing, robotics, and logistics in multiple areas. Aragón EDIH helps digital transformation through technology services, sourcing of financing, training, and promoting new collaboration networks. Boost your company's digital future with Aragón EDIH. Campaign financed by the European Union Next Generation EU Recovery Plan, School of Industrial Organization EOI, Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism, Government of Spain.